Mastering everyday English. Clean your bike, explained. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very practical and common phrase, clean your bike. This might seem simple, but understanding such phrases deeply can really enhance your English fluency. Let's get started. Clean your bike is a straightforward instruction that involves two key components: the action, clean, and the object, your bike. Cleaning refers to the act of removing dirt, dust, or other unwanted substances. When we add your bike to this verb, it specifies what needs to be cleaned. This phrase is commonly used among cyclists, in households, or in any situation where maintaining a bicycle is relevant. In clean your bike, the verb clean is in the imperative form. This is used when giving orders, instructions, or requests. The word your is a possessive adjective, indicating that the bike belongs to the person being spoken to. Understanding this grammatical structure helps in both following instructions and giving them correctly in English. This phrase isn't just about the physical act of cleaning. It often carries a connotation of care and responsibility. In English-speaking cultures, taking care of one's belongings, like a bike, is seen as a sign of responsibility. So, when someone says, clean your bike, it might also imply taking good care of it and ensuring it's in good condition. You might hear variations like, wash your bike, or give your bike a clean. While all these phrases mean roughly the same thing, wash is more specific to using water and perhaps soap, whereas clean can involve dry methods like dusting or wiping. That's all for today's lesson on clean your bike. Remember, understanding such everyday phrases is key to becoming fluent in English. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to bringing you more useful content. Happy learning!